All right, guys, welcome back. Right in front of you, I have another batch of $1.99 per item deal that I got from AliExpress. And this is actually the second batch. So let's take a look and see what I got this time. They actually came in two packages, I guess to make it fit, or they were in different batches that came in. And I could see that, yeah, they put it in separate bags, and which makes it perfect because it fits easier in my what do you call it, the large parcel mailbox. I live in an apartment, so we have one of those large parcel areas, but then the space for them is not that large. I would say the largest would be 18 by 18. So, having them in two separate packages like these makes sense. So it's a great thing that they did. So let's just open up the package and see what we got. We'll open the bigger one first. Put this one to the side. See what I got. I know which one this is. I know what the item is. This one right here. You can see it looks like a large baseball cap. So I know what it is. Right there, guys. This is actually what I've seen on TV when you want to wash your baseball cap, and when you throw it into the laundry machine, your cap gets all warped and deformed. But this one right here, it preserves the shape of it, at least it advertised to. So I'll try this out, wash some of my caps. A lot of us, we hardly think about cleaning or washing our caps, but then if we wear our caps every day, well, you guys know what I mean. But yeah, pretty good deal, $1.99 for it. Hey. And then next, let's see what this is. Oh yeah, this one here is a GPS device with the keychain. Now, I'm curious to know how this works because it's supposed to be a Bluetooth GPS device. So I need to read the instructions and find out how to operate this. But yeah, supposedly you put it in your whatever you want to tag. You know, put it on your pet, put it on your suitcase, luggage, or whatever, keychains, and then you're able to locate your device within a certain distance, I guess. But we'll see. All right, guys, that's the GPS keychain. I mean, Bluetooth GPS keychain, whatever. All right. Next is, I believe this is the face mask. I got it in this color. I just figure it's almost like looking like a ninja or something. But yeah, this is the full body, full head. I'm thinking about putting this on and then showcase my armory, and then just cover this and only have my eyes showing. So I want to keep discreet, keep a secret of myself. So I'm not a YouTuber, but I just have a YouTube channel. So I'm not gonna show myself. I'm not like I don't look like Ken, with Barbie, whatever. But yeah, that's it. $1.99. Yay. All right. Next up would be, what is this? I believe, well, it's a scissor, but there's something special with this scissor. Oh yeah, it's double as a blade, so it's a scissor and blade, and in one. Well, actually, the scissor goes into this, and it's also a blade. So $1.99, pretty handy. All right, next. All right, right here we have this item right here. Oh yeah, it's firm. It's basically pliers, prying tools. I yeah, like to pry into things. So this is pretty good quality. It's sturdy, stable, and let me see if it's actual steel. Oh yeah, it's actual steel, hard steel too. So, all right, I'm happy with this item. I know what I got it for and what I need it for, so pretty good. All right, next is, what is this? Oh, okay, this is the portable blade sharpener, which is good. I actually have a big one. Yeah, I have a big one. All right, well, I have a larger one of this, and it's in the kitchen. It's for my knives, all my knives that I use, but like kitchen knives. So this one right here is for sharpening my blades that I got. So that's pretty good. Portable sharpener. I think it's a ceramic sharpener. Yeah. So it's pretty good. All right. Next would be, what is this? Oh, this is, I advertise this. I mean, not advertise. I have this on my channel, reviewing this. Pretty good. I got more of these because it's basically pocket screwdriver set in a, carrying case wallet, easy to stow, easy to carry, and I like it so much that I got another one of this. So all right, this will go handy. Just put it in my pocket to go, and I have something. All right, I believe that's it for this bag. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that right? Am I counting right? I'm Asian. I'm supposed to know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I got 7 items in this bag, so there should be 3 more items in here. The AliExpress, it's a 10 item promotional deal for $1.99 each item. So there should be 3 items here. What is this? Let's take a look at one that's already open. Oh yeah, this right here is basically a rechargeable lamp for camping or even in storage sheds and everything. So it's pretty simple lamp, USB charging. I believe that's a micro USB charger. So right there. And does it come with, yeah, it comes with a charging cable. But yeah, it's pretty simple. I'll see how bright it is. I don't think it has any charge that's in it. Let's see. Oh, wow. That is very bright. And it has different, oh wow, guys. That's pretty good. I might get one more of these or a few more of these from the next batch, but, or in the future batch. But yeah, I like this. I could put this in my storage shed and have a light. I believe, I'm not sure if it has a hanger. And oh, there it is. There it is, guys. The hanger. Pretty simple. Yeah, you put it. Let's put it right now so I won't lose it. There you go, guys. See, perfect. But I'll review more of this later. It's not a review. This is like just opening packages from AliExpress. $1.99 deal. All right. And then this one here is actually a baseball cap, and yeah, simple baseball cap, no patch. Yeah, there is no patch. That I don't think I got the one that has no patch. I did see another item that has patch. You know, you can get an American flag, but they didn't have this design. I like this design. I actually have another cap that's embroidered with the U.S. flag, but I like this one because it's Velcro. I could put other patches on it if I want. There it is, $1.99. Simple. Okay, and I believe one more item. One more item. This is I believe this is the hand crank LED light, flashlight. Yeah. No, this is not the hand crank one. This is basically just an LED flashlight. Yeah, definitely all plastic and very light. I'm not sure if the rechargeable battery might be a let's see if it has any juice. There it is. Wow, that is bright. And let's see if there has any other functions. That's a low flash, and there's sight light. So what I like about this is yeah, you can just stand it up and do a focus lamp, or there you go, use it as a flashlight. Wow, guys, not too bad. $1.99. It works. I'm not sure how long that the lights last. What I'll do is I'll just turn it on to the high beam and then see how long it lasts, but that'll be up next in my reviews of all this. But there it is, guys, USB cable for it. So these are the items here that I got from AliExpress. $1.99 per item deal, 10 item limit, and yeah, what can I say? $1.99 each. Pretty good deal. This is my second batch. My third batch is on order. It should be coming hopefully pretty soon. And yeah, I'll definitely get another one of these right here. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Peace.